Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Monta's Art Studio and we're back with Vlogmas. So this was yesterday's card, our little globe, our little ornament, and today we are going to be working on a pattern. And patterns are so interesting to me. I actually wanted to hand draw a pattern and kind of think about it meticulously by hand. I didn't properly make it to be a seamless pattern, but I think that if I were to put this into a computer system, it would be possible to edit and adjust and make it a seamless pattern. So I started off with creating sort of segments on my tile sheet here, and I then decided to coordinate the trees, which we'll be getting to shortly, and have it be sort of staggered and also include some ornaments. I include some candy canes, some stars, and I believe that's it. So I kept the tree simple, again, thinking about a little bit of a folk style little painting, and I wanted to kind of capture the unique essence of this image right here. I really love the meditative process that it was to create this pattern, and I really see myself doing hand-drawn patterns more often. Again, continuing to play around with what I would like to do when I complete sort of my illustration style. I'm still on this journey, and I'm going to be going on this journey for some time now. So let me know in the comments below what you're most excited for me to illustrate. I'm most excited to do holiday illustrations. I definitely want to do some maybe spring illustrations next. I think I would like to do, of course, like, I don't know. I want to do cartoon characters, like original characters, but I'm not good at people just yet. But I think the thing for me is the holidays. I think I love the illustrated holiday edition. I fell in love with the Target Artist edition, where they have different illustrators having their own ornaments and their own bags. And I think that's the direction I want to go in. Of course, I want to try out some books. I want to test out a couple things with books. So just a sneak peek into 2025. That's my goal, is to kind of create a portfolio of illustration things and things that I can see myself, quote unquote, selling and having it be in the commercialized space, something like a Target or maybe like a Barnes and Nobles or something like that. But that's the goal, is to continue to build up my illustration style and keep on practicing. All right, there you have it. I think so far this one is my favorite out of the bunch, but I can't really tell. I'm starting to love all of them. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and let me know which one has been your favorite thus far.